All right, so let's do a little review project. Now, the first thing we're going to do, sorry about my bad lighting in this video, but the first thing we're going to do is just review the algorithm and the area model. And then after that, you're going to do some problems, and after that, you'll make a poster. Okay? So easy peasy. First things first, you either need to have blank paper that has the area model and algorithm, boxes that I have in your class for you, or you need your notebook. You have to do these problems with me. All right? To get to the next step, you need to show a teacher that you did this video, that you did the problems with me. Okay? So what we're going to do is we'll start with the algorithm. And if we're doing 67 times 43, hopefully you're using graph paper. All right, so I've lined that up. And as we've done many times before now, we start with the ones digit, right? And the ones on the bottom first is going to multiply to the ones on the top. So 3 times 7 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So you put a 1, carry the 2. Then the 3 is going to multiply by the 6 on top, right? It takes a turn with both numbers. So 3 times 6 is 18. But you have to make sure you add that 2 you carried. So 18 plus 2 is 19, 20. So we put the 0, the 2 carries, there's nowhere for it to go, so it drops down. It makes 201 on the first line. So now what we'll do is we'll get rid of things we carried so we don't get confused. Let me get rid of my arrows even. All right. We'll switch colors here. And now we can move to the tens digit, to the 4. But the 4 is in the tens place, so we put a 0 here to indicate that everything we're doing is a place bigger, right? It's 10 times bigger. So now we do the 4, but we're going to multiply again by the ones digit, the top number. So we do 4 times 7. So 4 times 7 is 28, so I put an 8, carry the 2. Now I can do by the tens digit, so 4 times 6 is 24, plus that 2 is 26. Boom, boom. Now I am ready to add these up. I get 1, 8, 8, 2. Okay, so 2,881. The area model is just, instead of breaking it up into 2 pieces, you're breaking it up into 4 partial products. So you know how the answer of multiplication is a product, right? This is the product. Well, these here are partial products. They're parts of the product. And in an area model, we're just finding 4 partial products instead of 2. That's it. So we're going to break 67 times 43 into 60 and 7 and 40 and 3. Split this sucker up. Then this first box is going to be 40 times 60. Sorry that it's kind of sloppy writing. It's hard with my finger. This box will be 40 times 7. We have 3 times 60 and 3 times 7. Then you go in and just do all that multiplication. So you get 224 with the 2 zeros, 2,400, right? 4 times 6 is 24, but there were 2 10s, so times 10 times 10. 4 times 7 is 28. Times the 10 of 40 is 280. 3 times 6 is 18. Times the 10, and then 21. And now all you have to do is add these up. So we're going to do 2,400 plus 280 plus 180 plus 21. Okay, And I'm running out of room, of course. So I'll write it over here. It's 1, 16, 18, 8, carry the 1, 5, 7, 8, and 2. So both equal 2,881. All right. Hopefully, like, all that makes sense and you remember that. So now you go to the next video where we are going to just do a similar review, but for decimals. Okay.